Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Rush for more reviews. So we're now in Port Royal town. We're gonna take a walk through of the Port Royal town. If you're new to the channel, remember to subscribe for more content. Subscribing is free. Definitely share this video as well so that more persons can see. Leave a comment and like the video. It's a very historic day in Port Royal, January 2020. The opening of the Port Royal cruise ship terminal, and also the first vessel to arrive, which is the vessel right over here, a part of the TUI cruise line or cruise company. Based on information, it should be 4 of these visiting this port. They have confirmed for this port for 2020. This is the first one. One should be coming in February and so forth. So stay tuned, keep watching. We're going to walk through the town. Very strong police presence, which is allowing the tourists just to walk around as they feel like, and shopping and sitting and looking. So that's really good. One of the complaints I heard though was from the Port Royal infant school. You know, a teacher brought her class over the port just to take a walk around, and you know, they're not allowing anyone on the port. And you know, they were complaining and say a big historic day like today, you know, the school in the community, because it's only one school, should have at least gotten an invite to even be part of the opening ceremony. So not gonna do any more talking, guys, so just watch the video and leave your comment. Let me know what you think. So this fisherman's jetty was recently refurbished, and a lot of other refurbishment and renovation in the town to prepare for this historic day. So we have Portmore over here. So from Portmore we have the wharf over this side, and we have a car ship or a vehicle ship over there. And we have a drone going up as well. So we have people fishing. And we have the popular Gloria's over here, Gloria's restaurant. 3 locations in Jamaica now. Victoria Pier right here and Ocheria. It's a very historic moment for Port Royal. Very, very good development for Jamaica on a whole. Port Royal Police Station. So most of the roadways are repaved and painted. So this is a historic site. Port Royal Fire Station.
You got your interviews?
Alright, some of these apartments were renovated.
Yes, I was waiting. I tell you, I crossed the street to her house and I opened the door. Please, Susan, I had been banging my head and she left the
So over here is a part of the Caribbean Maritime University extension. So they have a facility over here to be able to cater to more students. So we have the JDF headquarters over this side. Also, this is a part of the tourist tours. The Giddy House, the historic location over here. So this is Fort Charles, a very historic place. This was like the Las Vegas of the Caribbean. So we have a craft market right here. Alright guys, so this is one of Gloria's seafood Port Royal location. So we're over by this area. I think this is a part of the proposed relocation for some of the residents. So I'll be ending the video soon guys, so definitely share the video so a lot more persons can see this historic day in history. Help this video to go viral by sharing, liking and commenting guys. Let me know what you think. Port Royal cruise ship terminal. So let's go by the beach here. So this is a local beach, not the best but it works. Let's take a look. So that's a motor vehicle vessel guys. That's full of motor vehicles right now. Probably coming from China or Japan or somewhere else. So I think the residents of Port Royal is enjoying today in terms of this historic day. And I hear a resident commenting and say, hey, Port Royal start look like Ochi now. So yeah, not everything is perfect, but it's a step in the right direction. It's a start. And this should have done a long time ago, but today is the day. So again guys, leave your comment, let me know what you think. Share your views, share your opinions. And see you on that next video as well. And we do have some tourists out this side as well, just chilling on the beach. Some of them, you know, under some gazebo chilling. And as well, some persons are outside of Port Royal. Some persons gone to Blue Mountain, Emancipation Park, Bob Marley Museum, National Stadium, while some stay in the historic town. And you know, look what's happening around the place. Oh, I see tourists even as far. I don't think the camera can pick up the person, but that white shirt down that side, we have tourists as far as down there just walking and exploring. And I'm happy that they feel comfortable and safe to just walk about. I like that. Alright, Port Royal Primary and Infant School. So again guys, thanks for watching. If you've made it to this point, you have watched most of the video. So thanks for watching, thanks for supporting the channel. Remember to share, comment and like so we can make this video viral. so more persons can see this historic day in history. And if you want to support the channel or donate to the channel, all that is in the description as well.